Hi guys, my name is Dulce from Mi Dulce Vida channel. Welcome back. This is my second video ever. Today we're going to be talking about the Hyaluron pen because it was a very nice topic that you guys really liked. If you want to know more about what this is, what it does, etc., just watch my last video. This will only be my second video, so it will not be hard to find. If you guys want to see more videos of me, if you guys like seeing my ugly face and all of that, just like, subscribe, comment down below what kind of videos you want to see, and don't forget to subscribe. Just hop right into the video. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about the injection sites for the Hyaluron pen. Okay? First, let's get to one question. Okay, I have some questions on where did I buy this. I bought this from wal-Mart.com, and you just look up Hyaluron pen, and a picture of this one should pop up. This is the one I got. Now the Ampoules that go attached to this, you can also buy them at wal-Mart.com. Just look for Hyaluron pen Ampoules and you'll find some, okay? For you guys beginners that it's really hard to find, and a lot of women that are here on YouTube that do not tell you where to buy the product, that don't give you information at all. Like every time you ask them for information, they be like, message me, email me for the info, and then they try to charge you a price just to know where they got their products from. Don't think that's fair, so I'm straight up where I got it. Anyways, the liquid for this, for the hyaluronic acid, I've been getting comments about it. The hyaluronic acid you do buy from Alibaba. I think I say Alibaba.com. Okay, just make sure you look for cross-linked hyaluronic acid. I'll probably put a link down below of what link exactly where I get the hyaluronic acid, because I know a lot of women out here on YouTube be trying to hustle you guys and trying to get you guys to pay money for them to tell you who the supplier is, when in reality it's not really rocket science. If you want to do this from home, you can do it from home. Just learn how to properly do it. You don't even need to go to classes. You could just watch a lot of tutorials and you could do it yourself. It's not really that difficult at all, as long as you know what areas to inject. It's really not that deep for people to be trying to charge you to tell you who their supplier is, or trying to buy the stuff from the supplier and trying to upsell you for $600 for 10 milliliters for a hyaluronic pen, which is, it's fucking ridiculous. It's hard here out in the hood already. We don't need people trying to hustle us like that. So links will be down below where I got everything, just so you guys, it's easier for you guys to get in case you want to get into this. Just hop in right to the injection site. So the Hyaluron pen is for like wrinkles here, the 11s right here. You know how people get, do I get that? No, I don't. Barely. I don't get it deep. So people that have 11s right here, wrinkles right here, the crow's feet right here, wrinkles. Wow, I really don't have wrinkles. Well, kind of do right here. But anyways, here, the crow's feet. I would say right here, but the cross-linked hyaluronic acid, once you get to the link that I'm going to send you to, there's options. There's dermal fillers, which dermal is basically for the lips, under the eyes, etc. And then there's, I forgot what the other one was called. It's a different type of, it's the same hyaluronic acid, but it's a different type of component that stays, I guess, it fills areas of the face that you want to fill up. So for example, like the bridge of the nose, my bridge of the nose, like right here. You can't see it that much, but this bridge, you can fill it up, but don't do it with the ones from the lips, because it's not gonna stay there correctly and how it should sit correctly, because it's meant for the lips, or it's meant for wrinkles, etc., etc. Okay. Then you can do the contouring of the face, the contouring right here. Yeah, and the wrinkles right here that people get when they smile. Oh god, the wrinkles right here. And yeah, okay, so injection sites. So let me see if I can get my camera to focus. Alright, let me see. Can you focus on the numbers, camera? Can you focus? You see those little numbers right there? Focus. Okay, you see those numbers? Okay. That's how much product is going in. Oh shit. That's how much product is going into your lips. So for example, did I teach you guys how to do this? I don't remember. Anyways, you're all the way at the top, right? You're like, all, because it goes down. Let's say you're all the way at the top already, right? And you have your ampoule, you're ready to go. Let's say you want 0.03 milliliters. You just go, all these lines right here, you just go down 3 lines. You go 1, 2, 3, load, boom. That's it. I don't even know why the hell my eyes did that. Okay, that's how much liquid is going in there. Your lips. You're going to go 0.02 right here, which means I'm gonna go over it again because some people don't get it the first time. Okay, so you're gonna go 2 lines. 1, 2. That's 0.02. That's how much is going in your lips. Load, inject. Okay, that's it. You're gonna center right here. Let me zoom in because 0.02. Right here. Boom. 0.02. Boom. 0.02. Boom. 0.01. And then from here, you do the same thing. 0.02, 0.02, 0.01. Then you go 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.01. So here, 0.02, 0.02, 0.01. And then you go the top. So you go 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.01. 0.02, 0.02, 0.01. And that's the bottom of it. You can also go like this and go 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.01. 0.02, 0.02, 0.01. And there, you're done with your bottom, unless you want to do more. Anyways. Just keep in mind too that your lips sweat a lot. Okay. God, do I have a mustache right now? Oh my god, excuse my mustache, guys. I'm so sorry. Will not happen again. Top. You're gonna go. Some people don't like to do it right here, but I found if you have a nice proportion size of lips already, I still recommend to do it because you're gonna be inflating everything else except that, and it's gonna look all goofy. Cause I know some people online say tell you not to do the center because it flattens out, but it doesn't because it literally just evens your lips out. Okay, so you're gonna go right here. You see, right here. So you're gonna go 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.01. Here, 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.01. Always remember to do these areas because in your lips, what the fuck was that? Un granito. Don't look at it. If you don't do it here, your lips are gonna look goofy as fuck because they're gonna look like fat, skinny. They're not gonna proportion themselves out correctly, okay? So then you're gonna do you could do like this. This is how you hold the pen, basically, what I'm pointing at. So you're gonna go hold the pen, go 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.01, 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.01. Then you go to the top. Don't do the top here. So just leave it like that from here. You can proceed to the top here. So you go 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.01. 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.01. And that's it. Okay? If you want faster results, instead of doing 0.02, do a 0.03. The more you increase of how much product goes in your lips, the pinch, you will feel it stronger. And if when you do when you do this, and you see a little blood, don't worry because you're doing it right and your lips are gonna look luscious. Okay? Anyways, let's proceed. The crow's feet right here. Just pretend I have like lines right here, okay? you're gonna go to the first line, you're gonna put 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, and get the lines right there. Never go to this area right here, because this is full of nerves and it's very sensitive, so avoid this area at all costs. Just focus on here, on their wrinkles, not so close to the eyes. Try to keep a distance, and do 0.01s on those, because it's skin. And then on the 11s, 0.012. So on the wrinkles, you're just gonna go like, let's say the line is this long, you're just gonna go boom, 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 until. And every time after you do an injection, make sure to massage. You do it on your lips. Make sure as soon as you go boom, you massage the area. Same thing with the wrinkles here, and same thing with right here. Right here, you should do a 0.02. So you do 0.02, 0.02, just to get rid of the hump right here. Make sure to use not the dermal cross-linked hyaluronic acid. Use the other one. They have a special sheet of the link I'm going to tell you. They have a special sheet that shows you for this and that. It explains everything, okay? And then to outline your jawline, you just see where your bone is at. See right here? And then just move. 0.02, 0.02, until right here, until you get the desired outline, and make sure to massage the area. Now, after you do this, your lips will be swollen. It's normal, don't freak out. You're gonna look like a bee came through and buzzed your motherfucking lips. It's normal. You're also gonna have little bolitas, like little dots, like little round beads in your lips, and it's okay. That's just how your body reacts when you inject shit in it, basically. Okay. So what you're gonna do is just grab, massage. Okay, grab, massage. But every time you do an injection, like I said, try to massage the area. You can put ice on it too. Ice helps for the swelling and stuff. Day 1, you should be swollen from your lips. 2, you will be still slightly swollen, and you feel your lips weird because obviously you have product in your lips. You're just like, you feel all weird. Third day, it's the crusty face. Or even the second day, you can still be in your crusty face. Make sure to use a lot of lip balm, because your lips will crust up, and that's totally normal. Don't freak out and like, oh my god, this should leave me some crusty ass lips. It's normal. It will go away. Within a week, you should be back to your normal lips. Well, not your normal lips, but bigger size. And don't expect please don't expect that the hyaluronic acid pen is gonna take you from like, it's gonna take you, hold on, let me get a good example. It's not gonna take you from this lips to this lips in like a second. It takes procedures. It takes several sessions. So don't panic. Just take your time, be slow, and I hope you guys really found this video very informative on everything you needed to know. If you guys want me to do any of these type of different videos, just let me know. Yeah, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay posted for more videos. Bye.